oríṣiríṣi nǹkan la máa rí lórí social media. Ọlọ́run, èmi ò tiẹ̀ mọ̀, mo mà ṣe ń rí kíní bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà àti Lúmínì tó ń ṣaṣọ yẹn wípé àwọn méjèèjì wọ́n lóyún fúnra wọn, wọ́n bímọ fúnra wọn. Ọlọ́run, mo kọ́kọ́ lo glasses mi náà pé bóyá èmi mo ṣe mistake, but it's actually true or whatever. You know, ṣe rí àwọn nǹkan kan wà tó jẹ́ pé mi ì tiẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tí mo lè sọ, but if they are happy, I am happy. Let me say it that way. If they are happy, I am happy. Ẹni kan máa fún yàn ní second chance. In as much as I believe in second chance, I still, how would I say it? I still don't understand. I still kò yé mi, ṣe ló dàbí skit lójú mi. I don't know if it's real because there are so many things in the video that looks off. Baba Jesha is doing as if any pay the calories is too much. It won't come for calories. I don't understand it. It doesn't give the vibes of baby or, you know, it gives the vibes of movie than baby. There is no, you know, purity of baby. To me, oh, I may be wrong. There is no purity of baby, you know, that thing that comes when there is a baby. I don't see the chemistry. That is just it. And I feel like, okay, if this was true, all the time, tí Baba Jesha tó ní issue, kí ló dé tá a gbọ́ nǹkan kan nípa Lúmínì? Ṣé understand? Kí ló dé tí at least ó yẹ kéèyàn kan tẹ̀ sọ pé Lúmínì lòun fẹ́ Baba Jesha o, ká tẹ̀ ti gbọ́ yẹn, ká ti mọ̀ yẹn. Why didn't we hear anything about Lúmínì? Nígbà tí gbogbo ìgbà tí Baba Jesha tó wà níbi tó wà yẹn. She understand this. We didn't hear anything like he has a girlfriend or a fiancé or anything. Nǹkan tẹ́mi really mean, so I may be wrong. This is my own shemo about this whole scenario. And another thing, ṣebí Baba Jesha ṣe jáde ní few months ago. Ìgbà wo ló sáré fún Lúmínì lóyún? Ṣó ti pọ́dún kan tí Baba Jesha ti jáde? Kò tí pọ́dún kan. I believe it was around February ni àbí kíni. Àbí was it last year? Even if it is last year, wọn ò tí lè bímọ by now. You understand? Maybe wọ́n wò okay, by metrics 9 months lèèyàn fi ń bímọ. Baba Jesha ò tí jáde 9 months. Come on, kò tí jáde 9 months. We all know that. I don't know when it came out, but I'm not sure bóyá ó ti pé 9 months. Ìwọ́n sọ pé tó bá ti pé 9 months, ṣé bó ṣe jáde báyìí, ó kàn lọ rọ́ Lúmínì lóyún ni. You know, there's so many things that needs to be questioned, but you know our celebrity in Nigeria, kò sára tí ò sí lọ́wọ́ wọn. Then another thing, mo tún wò pé I don't think is immediately Baba Jesha came outside. That is why ló rọ́ Lúmínì lóyún. I think if this pregnancy was real or is real or whatever, á jẹ́ pé ṣe rántí gbogbo ìgbà tí Baba Jesha wà ní prison yẹn tó ń sọ pé wọ́n òun sick tó gbé jáde tó fẹ́ release yẹn. Nǹkan tẹ́mi rò ní pé á jẹ́ pé òun àti Lúmínì ti ń fẹ́ra kó tó di pé gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀. Ṣé understand? Òun àti Lúmínì ń fẹ́ra. Ṣùgbọ́n tóun àti Lúmínì wọ́n ń fẹ́ra. Bóyá gbogbo ìgbà yẹn náà bí àwọn ti ní process of IVF sílẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. So bí gbogbo ìgbà yẹn ni Baba Jesha ṣe ń fake sickness láti jáde láti lọ ṣe IVF. But immediately wò pé okay, if that one was not approved, Shemo, he was sick and sick and sick. I don't even believe in that sickness. But another thing, tell me to renew pé bóyá show yẹn sí bóyá wọ́n gba torí that is if you, for your own sanity, you have to reason this thing very well. I don't think it's a natural pregnancy. I think pé bóyá Baba Jesha wọ́n gba sperm ẹ̀ nígbà tó wà ńbẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n fi sínú Lúmínì ló fi doyún. Ṣé understand it? Bí wọ́n gba sperm ẹ̀ nígbà tó wà ńbẹ̀ yẹn wọ́n fi sínú Lúmínì ló fi doyún, because that's the only clear explanation pé IVF ló ṣe. Yàtọ̀ sí yẹn, her name never came up in anything. This matter has been on social media for over 4 years, right? So if they were actually in a relationship, and they would have come out at least in one place. Baby shame pokos, because I don't hate them. I'm just saying my own side of the story. Maybe all the time maybe they were dating, but we never knew, or maybe it wasn't serious. And ìgbà tí kìíní yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ ló fi ipò yẹ kó serious, and wọ́n dẹ̀ ti wà ní process IVF tẹ́lẹ̀, wọ́n wá gba àtọ̀ ọmọkùnrin yẹn ìgbà tó ṣì wà ní, because èmi gan wò pé báwo ló ṣe máa gba, báwo ló ṣe pé gbogbo àtọ̀ tó máa rí gbà ó gbàtọ̀ Tinubu, èèyàn tó wà ní ni wọ́n lọ gbàtọ̀ ẹ̀, èèyàn tó bọ́mọ. Ṣé understand? Bẹ́ẹ̀mi ṣe feel nìyẹn pé Lumini can do better, but well, men, they are all the same. Àti George o, àti Desha o, àti gbogbo, when it comes to men, nǹkan tí gbogbo wọn dánwò kò ṣeé sọ. So, but if she's happy, if this is the man that makes her happy, because to me, the track record of that man is very, very terrible. And I feel like àwọn èèyàn kan kó tẹ̀ ń kọ́ kíní kan pé Lumini can do better. Because I don't think ọkùnrin ni problem. Why settle for less? And man yẹn gan fún ara ẹ wò ká má sọ nẹ́gẹ̀, wọ́n ní gives people second chance. Mo ti sọ fún yín, èmi ò mọ second chance mo fẹ́ fún. I used to love his movie. He's a talented artist, but I cannot see past this nonsense. This is me just speaking. I cannot see past this nonsense. So that's why I'm saying that if we don't want to believe that this is true, I think that we have film not John Shea. I've not Jofe Shea. That still makes sense. Why cowries? Why cowries? The cowries was too much. It was too much. So I now keep asking myself, wait, cowries, babies, do they go together? No. That is why, see, if you look deep, you will see, I don't know anybody to first child education or pregnancy journey, or to a fashion designer. Cowries is not associated with kids. Cowries is associated with wealth and money. So the kid child of a teen, this is diabolical. Honestly speaking, cowries is associated with, why will Baba Deja wear agbada cowries? You know, is it not what they want us to be saying? No, that's so they want to trend. Because deep down, I don't believe they have a child. Maybe they wanted us to talk about it. He wants to make his big break into the movie industry, and they wanted us to talk about it, and that's what we're doing. You know. But if you look at it deep down, the timeline keep overlapping. You should understand this. The timeline keep overlapping. The man was not around for a long time. You never appeared to be in the picture. This person came, you know. There was no history before the man was arrested. And now all of a sudden, boom, babies and cowries. So, my own opinion, if this is true, I may be wrong. Maybe analysis is meaning. I may be wrong, but if this is true, I feel like if this is true, congratulations. And if it's not, still congratulations. But ẹ má gbọ́kàn yín sí. Torí ìgbà yẹn lẹ máa gbọ́, ó ti jáde o, pàtó àṣẹ kínní kan, bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ló ṣe é pẹ̀lú Lumini, àwọn ló jọ ṣe kínní kan ló fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀. Ṣé ti understand this? These celebrities alone, they used to take us for a joke. you know, just to trend. Well, kí la fẹ́ sọ, congratulations o. Àwa kí yín o, ẹ kú ewu ọmọ o. Ọlọ́run máa, báwo la ṣe máa sọ, kò ní já fún bàbá ẹ̀ jẹ́ o, because bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àdúrà téèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ gbà nìyẹn o. It runs in the generation, kò ní já fún bàbá ẹ̀ jẹ́ o. Ìwọ òṣì ìwà játijàti tí bàbá ẹ̀ wù, ọmọ náà ò ní wú o. Ọlọ́run á tọ́jú ẹ̀ àdásí fún yín. Àlùmínì, ṣé ọkọ ẹni àbí baby daddy ẹni? Because I don't understand. Is it your baby daddy, sperm donor, or your husband? Because kìíní ó tójú súnyán. Congratulations. I want to take this matter serious, but I cannot take it serious. Lumini, Lumini, báwo ló ṣe rìn? For every Nigerian man, for everything you do as a Nigerian man, there's always a Nigerian woman for you. Báwo ló ṣe rìn? Báwo ló ṣe kó? Báwo ló ṣe rìn? Báwo ló ṣe kó? Ẹ wá ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ayé yìí o. Ní ọ̀rọ̀ yìí, mi mọ̀ bóyá ẹ̀yin bóyá máa enlighten mi dáadáa. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ mọ oyún inú ìgbín nínú kara. I don't believe, ẹ jẹ́ kúkú bẹ̀ fún yín because mo ti ń parents. I don't believe that Lumini is even pregnant. I don't. And I feel like even if she's pregnant, I don't believe that Baba Jesha is the father. That is me. And I feel like, how will somebody else being pregnant for somebody else and another man is taking photo shoots with her? That is it. There is no chemistry. There is no connection. I didn't do anything new alone. There is no, a lot of things there is no. You know, a lot of things there is no. Nǹkan tó ṣọ́kùnkù ṣẹ̀dá kékeré báyìí níwájú Ọlọ́run. Ẹni give people second chance, ẹ̀yin lẹ́ ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, àti fún second chance. Èmi tẹ̀ láìkí ọmọ tuntun jòjòló, Ọlọ́run á dẹ́ ẹ sí, Ọlọ́run á wú ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ a máa lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ àwọn ọlọ́kí tó da gbogbo ẹ̀rù fún yín, because lọ́wọ́ pé ṣọ́ọ̀ burúkú ni mo plan láti wá ṣe fún Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà, because ṣó mú wa ṣeré ni. Ṣó burúkú ni mo plan láti wá ṣe fún Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà, ṣó mú wa ṣeré ni. But I think if you look at it deep down, I think it's looking for a way to come back to, to all these things. It's looking for a way to come back from everything. Deep down, I believe you can give him a second chance, but not me. Èmi ò fún èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ second chance o. Ó bẹ̀ mí gan kó o pààyàn ju kó o gbọ́mọ sùn. I'll give you a second chance tó bá yẹ kó o pààyàn ni. Dàní pé o lọ bọ́mọ kékeré sùn. Ó sì make sense sí mi bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn pé ó pààyàn ni, ó lè jẹ́ self defence. Ló yẹ yín ju kó wá lọ mú ọmọ kékeré kó máa abuse wọn. So I cannot see myself giving him a second chance. I'm happy. It's just who I am. I am a very factual and blunt person. Bí mo ṣe like ẹ̀ tó ni mo ṣe hate ẹ̀ tó. Ṣé ti understand it? That is me. Bí mo ṣe like ẹ̀ tó. There are some lines you don't cross. Ó kéré kó kéré, 14 ni kò ń ṣe 14. Kíní kan ni ọmọ kékeré ṣì lọ́mọ kékeré ń jẹ́ náà. Ó bá 16, ó bá 18. Kí ló ń ṣe? You are 40 something now. Ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé kíní yẹn kò yẹ kó máa ṣe, ó tún wá sínú ilé ìyá ẹ̀, ó tún ṣe nonsense. Ẹ dẹ̀ wá ń parọ́ pé fíìmù lẹ́ ń ṣe. So Shemo, he still doesn't own up to it. He's not remorseful. If he's giving Toju Batu Pafiri, he can do it again. You know, that kind of things. That is how I feel. Oh, me, I am a very blunt person. You can give him a second chance. It's you, it's your choice, but me. Àwọn kankan míì wà kì í ṣèṣù, ìwọ ló wù kó ṣe. Torí náà jẹ́jẹ́ èṣù sit down. Tẹ́ bá ti ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa tán, ẹ máa kígbe, iṣẹ́ èṣù ni, iṣẹ́ èṣù ni. Èṣù máa wò yín pé ẹ jọ̀ọ́, nígbà wo sígbà wo. Ṣé mi mo sọ pé kó lọ fọwọ́ kan ọmọ ni àbí ó wù ẹ́ kó lọ fọwọ́ kan ọmọ kékeré nù lé ìyá ẹ̀? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn kan burú jẹ́ èṣù lọ. Àbí ní gbogbo sítórì tá a ti gbọ́ nípa èṣù, ṣé ẹ gbọ́ ní ibi téṣù ti lọ ń fọwọ́ kan ọmọ kékeré? Ṣé ẹ gbọ́ ibi téṣù ti jẹ́ pedophile? Ṣé àwọn èèyàn kan kọ́ lè sùn sí wọn? Ní gbogbo sítórì èṣù tá a gbọ́, eléyìí táwọn èèyàn ti ṣe, ó wọ́ọ̀sì ju nǹkan téṣù kan ṣe. So ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, kò jẹ́ bó ṣe jẹ́. Ẹ ṣáà jẹ́ á máa wò bí gbogbo ẹ ṣe máa play out, àbí?